Hi, this is John with WTI. And in the point of trying to get into a little bit of sparring or boxing, this Everlast boxing gloves come into place. So one of the things that I like the most about this boxing gloves is just how comfortable they feel. And they have a really good snug feeling. And whenever you're trying to wrap them over your hands, it's just actually pretty good. And the whole feeling of having this boxing gloves just for you to do your whole activities, they're well built, they're comfortable, and they have a really nice padded. So if you're just like trying to start boxing, nothing too complicated or something that you will have to do way too much, this is actually pretty good. So nice quality, nice padding. The leather in the top, it's actually pretty much high quality. So if you're looking for a great option of just starting just to have fun with the boxing, this Everlast gloves actually do a great job. So this was John with Dolly TI, and that was my point of view.